My name is Dora, and this is my cousin Diego.
Hola! Dora and I are on our first day in college, and we need to get to our first class. What is our first class, Dora?
Let me check by Form 5. Our first class is Com 3. We need to find our way to our Com 3 class. Would you help us?
Great! My Form 5 says that our Com 3 class is at TBA. Do you know where's the TBA?
Me neither.
Let's find out!
Why don't we ask someone for directions?
Ate, alam mo po sa TBA? TBA po? Dun po ata siya sa may likod ng savings school.
Okay. Thank you po.
You're welcome.
We are on our way to TBA. Are you excited, Diego? Because I am.
Yes, I'm excited, Dora.
Kuya, dito po ba yung TBA?
Di ba sakal yun?
Ha? Sabi ko TBA. Magbabago na po ba talaga?
Ha? Hindi ah. Ay siguro sinong presidente, hindi na magbagong Pilipinas.
Ha? Ang ibig kong sabihin, kung magbabago na ba talaga yung room?
Ilang classroom dito sa Kalyon.
À la recherche de l'ombre jaune, le monde s'appelle Mr. Gary Jones. Avec l'ami, il balance.
Excuse me po, dito po ba yung Com 3 class ni Sir OJ?
Hindi ako sure, pero alam ko merong orientation sa main life.
Sa main line? Nagbago na naman? Is change really coming po ba?
Change is always coming naman, diba? Because nothing is constant.
Sige po. Pero hindi po yun yung tanong ko eh. Kung nagbago po na room assignment. Sige po. Is change really coming?
Yeah, I think so. You know, because Duterte is very different from all the presidentials, and he's very different from the presidents before. Like, every one of them is like part of an oligarchy or something, and he's the one that really came from the masses, and he has a really different take on things. So I don't know if that's on the positive side or in the negative side, but I'm pretty sure change is coming.
Ate, hindi po yun yung ibig sabihin ko change. Ate, I mean, kung nag-change po ba yung venue ng Com 3?
Ha? Saan ba dapat yung company mo?
Sabi po nila dito sa main live.
Main life to, walang klase dito. Endless LIS na. Sa lahat ng country nasa AS.
Sa AS po ba? Okay, thank you ate. Dora, my stomach's rumbling. Can we get a snack first?
Sure.
Ate, is change really coming?
I think so.
Bakit ate?
Hindi pa man sigurado kung talagang may magbabago sa darating nating president.
Pero kayo ate, sa palaga, gusto nyo bang may magbago?
Siyempre meron naman. Lalo sa kapaligiran natin.
Sa kapaligiran mo.
Kuya, is change really coming?
Yes, because Duterte has political will and charisma that influence the people.
No. What I meant was, is there a change in our country class?
Who's your bro?
Sir OJ, do you know him?
He's my bro. Our class is at room 116.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Vent à bord des enfants, l'aventure.
The Philippines is experiencing a lot of changes right now. However, change in the broadest sense of the term can mean a lot of different things experienced by individuals coming from different backgrounds of society. So we asked the UP community if they believe change is really coming and why.
Most of them associates the question to the slogan of President Duterte, change is coming. Anya is optimistic on social change as Duterte sits in office. Ate Maika shares the same optimistic view, expecting changes specifically in the environment. June believes that Duterte's political will and charisma would certainly change the country and its citizens.
But some of them viewed change in a philosophical way. Kuya EJ was less optimistic about change in general. On the other hand, Ate Monique believes that change is coming because it is inevitable and it is the only constant thing in the world.
Indeed, change is coming, and it is up to us to adapt and to make the most out of this change.